There is always space for development, regardless of how experienced you are with live streaming or how well known you are already. Continuously improving your abilities, material, and personal growth is essential for long-term success. I'll explain in this video what live streamers of all skill levels should do to expand their fan base, enhance their content, and boost their chances of gaining new followers. We'll also discuss the significance of spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical development for a successful and healthy live streaming career. So, whether you're a newbie, a growing streamer, an established creator, or a famous influencer, stay tuned. Part 1. Newbie streamers. Build the habit of going live. Consistency is the toughest obstacle when you're just starting out. When they don't immediately gain viewers, many novice streamers give up. But you know what? All of the top streamers had no viewers at first. As a novice streamer, you should perform the following. Go live stream for at least 3 hours each day. This helps in habit formation and camera comfort. Concentrate on honing your speaking abilities. Act as like you have an audience, even if no one is looking. Make your setup better. The background, lighting, and microphone all have a significant impact. Participate in the platform. Make yourself recognized. Engage with potential viewers, and leave comments on other streams. Tip: success starts with discipline. Show up even when no one is watching, and over time, people will start noticing. Part 2. Growing streamers. Expand your audience with social media. It's time to reach a wider audience if you have some experience and a small following. How should this be done? Social media. As a budding streamer, you should do the following. Share brief snippets of your greatest memories on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. These platforms enable you to quickly reach new audiences. Make your streaming schedule public. To boost attendance, let your fans know when you plan to go live. Interact with your followers. Create a community. Respond to comments and post inquiries. Collaborate with other streamers. Guest appearances help you tap into their audience. Tip: you're not just a streamer, you're a brand. Promote yourself like one. Part 3. Experienced streamers. Increase value with new skills. It's time to make an impression now that you have a loyal following. You can keep your live stream engaging by acquiring new talents because viewers enjoy new and intriguing information. As an expert streamer, you should perform the following. Gain knowledge of a new language. You may communicate with admirers throughout the world by using even simple phrases in several languages. Create new skills. Find something fresh to feature on your stream, such as dancing, singing, gaming, or storytelling. Improve your setup. Invest in better equipment to enhance the quality of your audio and video. Start monetizing. Offer exclusive content, accept gifts, and explore brand sponsorships. Tip: your audience will grow when your content evolves. Always challenge yourself to be better. Part 4. Famous streamers. Innovate and give back to the community. If you're already a well-known streamer, your focus should be on innovation and legacy. Fans already know you, but how do you keep them engaged? Here's what you should do as a famous streamer. Host special events. Contests, giveaways, and interactive Q&As make fans feel closer to you. Create exclusive content. Membership programs or VIP streams can give dedicated fans extra value. Give back. Support charities, help smaller streamers, and contribute to your community. Stay ahead of trends. Experiment with new streaming platforms, trends, and technologies. Tip: the bigger you grow, the more responsibility you have. Use your influence wisely and create a lasting impact. Part 5. The importance of personal growth. Regardless of your level, your success depends on more than just streaming. It depends on you as a person. That's why every streamer should focus on physical health, eat well, exercise, and take breaks to avoid burnout. Mental growth, learn new things, challenge yourself, and stay positive. Emotional strength, build confidence, handle criticism, and stay true to yourself. Spiritual balance, find purpose, stay humble, and maintain gratitude. When you grow as a person, your live streaming career will follow. Final thought. Whether you're just starting or you're already famous, the key to success is simple: never stop improving. Now I want to hear from you. What level of live streaming are you at? And what's your next goal? Comment below and let's grow together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your live streaming career.